Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a festival inspired theme look in case any of you guys are going to Coachella within the next coming weeks. This was super easy. You could probably get this done in about 10 minutes. You guys will see in the tutorial. And I basically got this from the Etsy account, which is Dazzle Me Glitter. I will let you guys know everything in the information below, so don't worry. And then the glitter itself I got from BadAssBeautyUK, and I'm pretty much obsessed with this glitter, and I basically just use glitter primer to apply everything. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Like I mentioned, it was super easy, so let's just get into it. Alright you guys, so the very first thing I do before applying the glitter is I do apply a bit of a holographic highlight. I'm going to take the Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kick, and I'm just going to pick up this pink heart color. Yeah, and it's just a duochromatic pink, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones before I apply the glitter. I just really like the way it looks with the glitter on top, and I really just apply this from here to here. And I just took a e.l.f. blush brush. Alright, so now that we have that applied, you can see it gives kind of like a duochromatic pink to your face. I really like it, adds some definition. If you guys are wondering also how I did this makeup look, I will link it down below. I just created this makeup look and I used all affordable products. Very proud of myself. So glitter part now. So basically what I do is super easy. I just get this NYX glitter primer, and you guys could use a brush or your fingers. I rather just use my fingers, just make this as easy as possible. I just apply a little bit to my fingers and I apply it to the side of my face. You guys can go ahead and work in sections because this glue does kind of dry down. And we're just going to do the areas of our face right here. We are applying this sparkly beautiful glitter onto our eyes underneath here, and we're applying it here. So we just want to do the sides of our face, like the cheekbone. And then I'm just going to get some glitter. This is the one that I got from Etsy. Use any glitter you want. And I get some onto my finger and I just apply it onto my skin. So if you guys see, that just went on right away. I'm really liking this glitter. It's not like too chunky and feels like harsh on the skin. It is really gentle. So we're just applying that glitter glue again, and go ahead and just grab your glitter again. Dip your finger in there. I know this can get a little bit messy, but I'll just clean it up after. Okay, so that was super easy to apply. It looks really pretty on. You can tell it gives kind of like a duochromatic finish. And I really like that we applied that pink heart underneath. You can go ahead and do only one side of the face. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. That's just what I prefer. Alright, so once again, we're gonna go with our NYX glitter primer onto this side of the face. And remember, we're gonna kind of work in sections. And while the glitter is still wet, we're gonna go ahead and grab this glitter bag and just get our finger into it and just apply that on top. And I kind of stop right about here. Alright you guys, so I am super impressed with the way these glitters are coming out. They're really pretty and they've been catching the light. So as I mentioned, I got these from Etsy from the account BadAssBeautyUK. Even though this was from the UK, I think I only paid $2.41 for shipping, so that wasn't bad at all, and it came super quick. But like I mentioned, I am so impressed with these glitters. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting glitter for like Coachella, or if you guys just like glitter in general for using like eye makeup or anything like that, definitely check out this account because I am super impressed. Alright you guys, so for the really fun part, the part that I'm most excited about, I'm gonna go ahead and grab these glitters from Dazzle Me Glitter. And basically, like I mentioned, it does recommend not wearing any makeup when using these glitters. But like I said, I would never wear this without any makeup. It does say that these are reusable, and basically the way it works is you just gently take this off and place it onto your face. I really hope I don't mess this up because that would really suck. But to let you guys know, it is reusable, so if you mess up, you can kind of just refix it, and then you can use eyelash glue too if it's not as sticky. It does recommend that you don't use any tweezers or sharp objects to kind of like tear this off of the adhesive, as this can ruin the back of the gem. So I'm just gonna grab the bottom one really quick. Take this off very carefully. Alright, that was super easy. That came right off. And I'm just gonna apply this right underneath. Apply this like about maybe half an inch away from the eye. And I'm just gonna press it down. If you guys are going to Coachella or anything like that where you'll be in the desert and you're dancing and sweating, I do recommend using some type of adhesive glue. And yeah, so I'm just doing this in my house just to kind of show you guys what it looks like, you know what I mean? I'm not going anywhere special or anything like that. I'm just going to the shower after this. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up the other one and hopefully it comes out symmetrical, you know? And I'm just like carefully taking that off. It does say that if you guys want to reuse this again, you can just take this off and place it on here again. Alright, so I'm going to try to make sure this is really, really symmetrical. And the way I'm doing that is I'm kind of just looking at this one and seeing how it crosses over to here, see? I did it. I think it's pretty symmetrical. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the top part, which is right here, and I'm assuming this one goes to this one here. So I did have to go onto the glitter just a little bit, and I'm just pressing that down. Alright you guys, so I do like how this looks so far. I'm gonna add the very end, which is this part right here. Pretty much it. That was super easy. You see, all I did was add some glitter, bada bing, boom, 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 and then all I did was add this whatever shit onto my face, and yeah, I'm done. I look like I'm ready to go to Coachella. So yeah, so I'm not going anywhere tonight. This was just for entertainment purposes, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, definitely give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. And that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.